Welcome to our quick guide video. In this video, we'll walk through the complete ticket flow, starting from creating a ticket and then managing it after creation. To begin, go to the Ticket section from the left side menu and click on New Ticket. This opens the ticket creation form. Select a relevant project, then enter a clear title for the ticket and add the necessary details in the description field. Choose the ticket creator. Select who the work needs to be done by. Set the priority. Assign the ticket to the appropriate assignee. Select the location and set the start date and due date. Once all required information is entered, click Save to create the ticket. After saving, the ticket is created successfully and appears in the ticket directory. This list shows all created tickets along with key details like ticket ID, title, project, assignee status, and priority. Any ticket you create will always appear here and can be opened anytime by clicking the Edit icon. Clicking the Edit icon opens the ticket in the General Information tab. This is the most important section of the ticket and is where all core updates are managed. Here, you can update ticket-related fields such as customer, project, priority, status, inspection status, completion status, work completion status, accounting status, start date, due date, and location as the work progresses. Within the same view, the Ticket Details area allows you to update the ticket title and description if changes or clarifications are needed. The Assignment Details section is used to manage responsibility by updating fields such as ticket creator, assignee, site engineer, work done by, team leader, subcontractor, and category. The Sales Details section is used to manage billing and payments. From here, you can add customer payments using Add New Customer Payment. When partial or full payments are added, the due on this project amount is automatically calculated by the system. This amount updates instantly based on payments received and does not require any manual calculation. All payments added are recorded and reflected in the system. These entries can be reviewed later and ensure accurate tracking of paid and pending amounts. The Miscellaneous section is used to record additional information such as subcontractor amounts and to upload completion-related documents. The Comments tab is used to add internal notes related to the ticket. These comments help with communication, updates, and documentation, and remain attached to the ticket. The History tab displays a system-generated log showing when the ticket was created and updated, along with timestamps and user details, providing a clear activity record. The Payment History tab shows a detailed list of all payments made for the ticket, including payment date, amount, updated by, running total, and remaining due. At the bottom, you can clearly see the invoice amount, total paid, and current due. The Attachment tab allows you to upload and manage files related to the ticket, such as images, PDFs, or reports. All uploaded files stay linked to the ticket for future reference. After making any updates, click Update to save the changes. Your ticket is now fully created, updated, and managed within Orion.